Hi, this is Shirley.
Hi, Shirley.
How you doing?
I'm doing good. How you doing?
Great. I can't even find a word to explain.
Wow. Now, Shirley,
Yes.
let's start from the beginning, Shirley. Now,
Okay.
when you call NuSpecies, I mean, without going into too much details, what was you looking for? What was your goal?
My vision. My vision. I've been going from doctor to doctor. I got no help. And just listening to Jillian, what she said, I mean, it really convinced me to try this, try the product. It really convinced me. And when I called, she explained everything to me, and I said, okay. I was ready to try it.
Okay.
And
then what happened?
Okay, she, I asked her how soon can I get it, the product to start. She asked me, did I ever try Legend? I told her no. And she suggests I tried it and, try it. So she told me when I could, about how many days it could take for me to get it. So I said, I was ready for it, I received it on the 23rd of March. And 5 days after, I've seen results that I could not even believe it.
Wow.
When I went to work on the computer, this is what I use every day. And that Monday I went to work. I was out for a few days. So when I went to work, the same letters I clicked on before, I could not see it before. And it was so bright and clear. And I said, maybe they did something to the computer. Because 5 days, I was not expecting this. And then when it dawned on me is Friday of that same week, when I went in my car and look at the clock, normally with my reading glass, I could not see it.
Right.
And I was not wearing glasses. I just turned my head and looked, and I could see the time right away. The clock, I see the time right away. I said, but this isn't for real. This is for real. I came home laughing, and, I told my husband and my son about I said, I cannot believe this. I said, I want to scream. I want to tell the world about this. This is miracle.
Wow.
Miracle for me. I went to the grocery yesterday. Normally I ask my daughter to tell me the price of things. I saw it myself. I could see it myself. Driving, in the car, I could not see license plate number. I see the whole thing yesterday. I saw it.
Wow.
This is amazing.
And actually, Shirley,
the first
That's
the word. Miracle. For me, this is miracle. I cannot believe something could be so great. Legend. The best.
Shirley,
miracle.
The first
for
time
me.
that Shirley, the first time we took your order, your son had to read your card to me. Remember?
It's really amazing. I've been suffering for a long time. I've been from doctor to doctor and get no help.
Well, Shirley.
Yes.
I have Jillian. I'm not sure if you're hearing Jillian on the mic. Jillian.
Shirley, can you hear me?
I couldn't. No, I couldn't.
Oh, okay. I was saying the first time that we took your order, remember your son had to actually read your card numbers to me.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah. And today you read them to me.
I asked my son, and today, Jillian know for a fact, I told her the number myself. I could not see it.
Yes.
When I look at letters, it would be like I cross my eyes to see it with glasses. With reading glasses. No, believe me, 5 days after I start, that gone.
Wow.
Wonderful.
5 days after, I could not believe it.
So what would you say to someone that has the same symptoms of you? Would you suggest that they get a bottle of Legend?
Yes. Oh, gosh, I'm not even going to do without. I make sure. Yes. Right away, I'm saying this is not hearsay. This is for real. Everything that Jillian told me, it's for real. Miracle for me. Anyone, I'm going to spread the news because it's for real. From my experience, I was suffering. I could sign my check on the line at Crossway. Like what I've been having before.
Yes.
Even at work to write on the line. It was hard for me. It was really, it was a major struggle for me. Yesterday, I signed my check. It was on the line.
Well, let me say God bless you.
Oh, God, let me tell you, God bless. Jillian and husband, whoever come with this product, God bless them.
Well, thank you so much for believing and trying, because too often, we hear things on the radio and we see things on the TV, and we're kind of afraid. We wonder, is it a scam? Is it someone just trying to make money? And what I always say about this company, NuSpecies, what I love about them, why I do endorse them, is that they don't push anything down your throat. They're not telling you that, listen, da-da-da-da-da-da. They're saying, come sit down, talk to us, tell us what you're feeling, and let's see what we can do to help you. And that's what I love about this company.
That was a good thing. That was the consultant part, because when I went to get a eye exam on the 19th of March, and that's when I called Jillian and say for her to get, I didn't get her right away, to left message, and she get back in touch with me. And the Monday and the Wednesday I got my legend to use. The consultant, that is so important.
Yes.
Because that's how she'd know which one then could help me. And I just can't believe the miracle that it worked for me in 5 days.